What's up guys, how you guys doing today? So this is our second day in Costa Rica and now we're just gonna go for a quick breakfast before we go ziplining. Let's head out there. That's what I'm getting. Fruit. It's actually so nice. And this watermelon juice is so good. It does look really good, like, and it tastes good. Coming down out there, Jesus, insane. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to go ziplining. I'm gonna go ziplining. I'm gonna switch to my GoPro camera.
Is over. The monsters in my head are scared of love. Finding people, listen up. It's never too late to change your luck. Steal your life. Don't let them break your stride. It's a revolution. It's a worst is over. The monsters in my head are scared of love. Finding people, listen up. It's never too late to change your life. So don't let them steal your life. There is light on the other side, and you'll see all the rain
So we got some Costa Rican style fried chicken. I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. They're super good, but we're gonna see if we can water bottle flip with this. Alright guys, so I had the GoPro and I just thought, I might as well show you guys the hot springs down here. So yeah, we're gonna walk out there and we're gonna go swimming in the hot springs. Beautiful. This pool is pretty lit. They even have like beds there and tables that you can go with. It's pretty lit. The pool also has this awesome swim up bar. So this is the cold pool. They have like a 6 splashing thing over here. Swim up bar. But then they have this epic jacuzzi up here. So they have like this fake river that sometimes has fish in it. And then, yeah, you can just chill there. This is insane. Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna head over to like this awesome secret waterfall place where you can swim, but apparently the water's really cool. Anyways, bring you guys along. Alright, so we have 500 steps to go down. Oh my god, that is so cool. That is so many steps. This is really cool. Look how far down that is. It's insane. Guys, this really is so cool. It actually looks man-made. Oh my god, guys. This is honestly so insane. Look at that. And there's people swimming down here. That's so... This is also insane down here. I honestly think I see some fish in here. Guys, I did some parkour over here. This is so cool. In the water? This is honestly insane. Like honestly. Hey Dad! I think he's gonna try. It's too hard for him. It's amazing. It has been super fun to do, but we gotta go back there. Those steps were so tiring. Still covered in like all that. It's crazy. Well, we came to this steakhouse and hopefully it's gonna be pretty good. It got great reviews, so really cool because it's like open air. So I got a steak. It was pretty good. Also, this pineapple juice was really good. But anyways, we're gonna go back to the hotel now and yeah, just go to sleep. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed, remember to smash that like button, comment down below, and become a part of Tech Nation by subscribing. Peace.